Uh, exercise 3.2, page number 60. Okay. Question number 1. Write the answer of each of the following questions. Yes, first, Manav, what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any Cartesian plane?
Ma'am, x-axis and y-axis.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is x-axis and y-axis. Then second part.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Yashvi, what is the name of each
Ma'am,
side of the plane formed by these two lines?
ma'am, quadrant.
Quadrant, right? So you have to remember, like, even if you might have done these questions by taking help from back answers, but you have to learn this. This can come in MCQs. Manav, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect.
Ma'am, origin.
Origin. What are coordinates of origin?
Ma'am, ma'am, can you repeat?
What are the coordinates of origin?
0.
0, 0. Okay. In question 2, see figure 3.14 and write the following. Yes, Yashvi, coordinates of B.
Yes, ma'am. Coordinates -5 and 2.
-5, 2.
And
Second one, coordinates of C.
Ma'am, coordinates of C are. Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, it is 5, -5.
5, -4. Third one, yes, Yashvi, the points identified.
yes,
Coordinates -3, -5.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait.
Have you completed this all answers? Yes. So answer is E. Because when you will locate -3 and -5, -3 on x-axis, -5 on y-axis, we'll get point E. Okay. Fourth one, point identified by coordinates 2, -4. Yes, Manav?
G.
G. Okay. Fifth one, the abscissa of point D.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6.
6. Abscissa means x coordinate. Okay. Then the ordinate of point H. Manav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is -3.
-3.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the coordinates of point L. Yashvi.
Ma'am, 0 and 5.
So, okay, 0, 5. When a point lies on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. When a point lies on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. And if a point lies on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Okay. So, next, eighth one. Yes, Manav, coordinates of point M.
Ma'am, 0.
No, ma'am. -3,
कोऑर्डिनेट तो है
-0.
-3 और y कोऑर्डिनेट है 0 क्योंकि वो x एक्सिस पे लाई करता है. ठीक है. So this is all about this exercise 3.2. It was very easy. Now coming to plotting a point in the plane if its coordinates are given. Okay. So we'll first of all make two axes which are already drawn on your graph paper. So you can just make two lines this way. Okay. Then mark one of them x, x dash, y, y dash. Mark points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And -1, -2, -3, -4. and minus 5. Okay. Now 5 comma 0. Where will 5 comma 0 lie, Manav?
Ma'am, it will lie on
Where it will lie?
Ma'am,
in 5.
X axis. क्योंकि y तो 0 है, तो it will lie on
Yes.
x axis.
Yes.
0 comma 5. Where it will lie?
Ma'am, on y axis.
On y axis. ये यहाँ पे lie करेगा. 2 comma 5. 2 is x and 5 is y. So this will be this point. 5 comma 2. 5 is x and 2 is y. Minus 3 comma 5. Minus 3 comma 5. So it will be this point. Okay. Then minus 3 comma minus 5. So minus 3 comma minus 5. So basically this will be the point. Okay. Minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay. Then 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3. So this is the point. So are all points marked?
yes, ma'am.
5
Ma'am,
minus 3. Yes.
ma'am, but ma'am, we have to write that.
क्रॉस बना दो और वहां पे पास में ब्रैकेट बना के वो नाम लिख दो.
Okay, ma'am.
और यहाँ सेंटर पे ओ लिख दो.
मैम वही लिखेंगे जहाँ.
Okay. That the position of x comma y is different from position y comma x. This you can observe in that previous one also. जैसे 2 comma 5 और 5 comma 2 ये दोनों different points हैं. 2 comma 5 5 comma 2. 2 comma 5 is this point. 5 comma 2 is this point. Okay. So position of x comma y is different from position of y comma x. Okay. It is not equal. If x and y are equal, if x equals to y, then x comma y will be equal to y comma x. मतलब जैसे 5 5 है, 5 comma 5, तो ये दोनों एक ही पॉइंट होंगे. इफ x and y are equal, then 5 comma 5 ये कोई भी पॉइंट है तो it will be same. ठीक है. So we have to remember that if x and y are different, x comma y is not equal to y comma x. Okay. But if x and y are equal, only then. ठीक है. क्योंकि यहाँ पे सपोज x भी 5 है, y भी 5 है, तो 5 comma 5 equals to 5 comma 5. बाकी जनरल, in general case it's not equal. Now coming to example 4.
Ma'am, mine was right.
Yes, actually it was difficult to see each and every point on the screen. So roughly I have checked and it was correct. If you have any doubt, you can send me on WhatsApp. Then I can verify. If you have any doubt, actually it is easy. So I think you will be able to do it correct. Plus it is a solved example. So you can check from book itself.
Yes.
Okay. Example
Yes.
4. Plot the following ordered pair x comma y of following numbers as points in the Cartesian plane. So you have to plot following points. So same procedure you have to do. Try this. You have to locate which points you have to locate. Minus 3 comma 7, 0 comma minus 3.5, minus 1 comma minus 3, 4 comma 4, and 2 comma minus 3. Okay. So this all points you have to locate. First step. Okay, in question, if it is given any data like 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, then we have to take that. Okay. So On y-axis we have to take till 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. On x-axis till -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Now we can plot -1 comma -3. So -1 comma -3. So this is the point. Then 4 comma, okay, -3 comma 7, -3 comma 7. So this will be the point, -3 comma 7. Okay, 0 comma -3.5, 0 comma -3.5. Lying on
y-axis.
negative y-axis, yes. -1 comma -3 we have already plotted. We can even write this names here of these points. This is 0 comma -3.5. Then 4 comma 4. So x is 4 and y is 4. Okay. 2 comma -3. 2 comma -3. So this is 2 comma -3. This way you have to do it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the point lies? So we have to first of all make the graph. After making graph, plot all these points.
Which one?
Exercise 3.3, question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After locating all the points, we have to locate actually -2 comma 4, 3 comma -1, -1 comma 0, 1 comma 2 and -3 comma -5. -2 comma 4. So -2 comma 4. This is the point. 3 comma -1. 3 comma -1. -2 comma 4. 3 comma -1. -1 comma 0. -1 comma 0. Okay. 1 comma 2. -3 comma -5. Okay. After locating these points, you have to in which quadrant or on which axis do the point lie. So which is this quadrant? Yashvi? Which is this
Ma'am, what?
quadrant? Which is this quadrant?
Ma'am, ordinate.
Which quadrant is this quadrant? Yes, Manav?
In first quadrant.
First quadrant. Okay. So 1 comma 2 lies in first quadrant. Okay. Next one. Which is this quadrant, Yashvi?
Ma'am, second quadrant.
Second quadrant. So we have to write here second quadrant, or you can write in as a statement also. You can write this way: 1 comma 2 lies in first quadrant. This one. Okay. Then 2 comma 4 lies in second quadrant. Then -1 comma 0. Which axis it is lying on? Which axis? -1 comma 0.
From
This,
origin.
it's not origin. -1 comma 0. Where is it
Ma'am,
lying?
it is or
Second quadrant only.
No, it is not second quadrant. We have to write -1 comma 0 lies on negative x-axis. Okay, it is negative x-axis. This one is positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis. This is positive y-axis. This is negative y-axis. Basically, from here to here, it is positive y-axis. From here to here, it is positive x-axis. From here to here, it is negative x-axis, and from here to here, it is negative y-axis. Okay. Now, minus 3 comma minus 5, where does it lie?
And third quadrant.
Lies in
Quadrant.
quadrant. Okay. Then minus 3, 3 comma minus 1, it lies
Fourth
in
quadrant.
quadrant. Okay. So minus 1 comma 0, for this you should write it lies on negative x-axis. Don't write simply x-axis but negative x-axis, so you will not lose any mark. Okay.
Now we have to write this first, second, third, fourth quadrant.
हाँ, ये यहाँ पे तो आई हैव मार्क्ड टू शो यू, और यहाँ पे इन्होंने पूछा है, बाकी ये हमको पता होना चाहिए ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है, ये सेकंड है, ये थर्ड है, ये फोर्थ है. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
एंड व्हाइल डूइंग क्वेश्चन आल्सो इफ यू कैन राइट, मतलब यहाँ पे अगर कोई पॉइंट्स नहीं है, जगह है, तो यू शुड मार्क. ओके. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन, कैन वी मूव टू
Between -1 and -2
And
in
minus
the
2.
y-axis.
इट विल लाई, हाँ, इट विल लाई बिटवीन -1 एंड -2, और -1 और -2 के एग्जैक्ट मिड में नहीं लाई करके, एग्जैक्ट मिड वाला तो होगा -1.5, -1 और -1.5 का एग्जैक्ट मिड वाला होगा -1.25. बेसिकली -1 और -2, ये जो है दो पॉइंट्स, इसको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दो, 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. द फर्स्ट आफ्टर -1, the next mark is -1.25, then next mark is -1.5, next mark is -1.75, and next mark is -2. We are interested in -1.25. Okay, so this will be -1.25.
1 and 3.
What?
And then 1 and 3.
Then
Then 1 and 3 next one.
okay, then 1 and 3, right? So next one is 1 and 3, and next one is 3 and -1. Okay, so these questions are done now. Okay, this is 1 comma 3, this is 3 comma -1, and only the doubt which can be possible is this -1.25. If it is not clear, please ask, I'll locate it again. Is it clear, Yashvi?
Ma'am,
नहीं हुआ
please
clear?
explain.
हाँ,
Ma'am, please explain again.
क्या समझ में नहीं आया मुझे? What you are saying?
Ma'am, yes ma'am, एक बार समझा दो आप.
ओके ओके ओके, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. देखो, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस में सपोज ये 1 है, ये -1 है, ये -2 है, ये -3 है. अब 1 और -2 का एग्जैक्ट मिड पॉइंट क्या होगा? -1.5.
Yes ma'am.
यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है. 1
Yes, ma'am.
और -2 का एग्जैक्ट मिड पॉइंट होगा -1.5. अब -1 और -1.5 का मिड पॉइंट होगा -1.25. वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस पॉइंट. So -1.25, 0, 0 -1.25. That means point is on y-axis. So this is the point, 0 -1.25.
Okay ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.